In the initial stages of the project, the homeowner presented more of a vision than a detailed brief. Instead of comprehensive instructions, the designer received a floor plan and images of the apartment in its original state, along with a desire to renovate while maintaining the existing plumbing layout. With this foundation, the challenge was to understand the client's preferences and aspirations. Fortunately, the homeowner provided some inspiration photographs showcasing elements of color and lightness, offering valuable insights into their aesthetic preferences and dislikes. The most daunting task within the apartment proved to be the kitchen area, closely followed by the bathrooms. The kitchen, characterized by its narrow layout and limited counter space, presented a significant obstacle due to the presence of various pipes, including plumbing, gas, telephone, and intercom lines. Despite these challenges, the designer was determined to find solutions. With a meticulous approach, the design team embarked on a journey to reimagine the space, focusing on optimizing functionality without compromising aesthetics. One of the major hurdles in the kitchen renovation was the gas pipe, which posed considerable difficulty during the planning and execution phases. However, through innovative problem-solving and careful planning, the team successfully overcame this obstacle. The end result surpassed expectations, with the kitchen now boasting ample countertop space on both sides, along with an abundance of storage options. The transformation left the homeowner delighted, as they now have a practical and visually appealing space. To enjoy daily culinary activities. Turning attention to the bathrooms, it became evident that these spaces required a complete overhaul. Outdated and unappealing, the bathrooms were in dire need of modernization. Plumbing issues, including pipes running between floors, further complicated the renovation process. Despite the challenges, the designer took a bold approach, reconfiguring the layout to maximize space and functionality. By relocating fixtures such as the vanity, the team successfully created additional countertop space, addressing the homeowner's need for practicality and aesthetics. Material selection played a pivotal role in elevating the ambience of the renovated spaces. From luxurious quartzite and honed marble to intricate terrazzo and fluted glass, the home features a diverse array of materials that captivate the senses. Of particular note are the two standout slabs used in the renovation, including a striking quartzite stone named Botanic Green, which adorns the dining room tea area, seamlessly tying in with the kitchen's green accents. Additionally, the use of natural honed marble in the kitchen and fluted glass in the dining room millwork adds a touch of sophistication and sparkle to the overall design scheme. With meticulous attention to detail and a keen eye for aesthetics, the renovation project culminated in the creation of a truly exceptional living space that reflects the homeowner's unique style and preferences.